Now, what is this? This is MMR vaccines, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Please remember, in NIS National Immunization Schedule, we are not giving MMR vaccine, okay? We are giving measles, rubella. However, everything is similar. So, my first question again, which type of vaccine it is? It is a live vaccine, okay? What is the strain of measles vaccine that you have to remember? It is Edmonston Zagreb, okay? Next question, does it follow open vial policy? So, the answer to that lies in the package. So, let's open it, okay? Now, see. If I open this, what do we have again over here? So, you will have, this is the vaccine, okay? And with that, along with it, we have been provided the diluent. Can you see? We have been provided the diluent, okay? So, this is the vaccine vial and this is the diluent. So, this is the vaccine vial. Now, you can see again, this is available in the form of a powder. So, what is the diluent that we use for measles? We use this distilled water, sterile water. So, we'll mix it in this. This will become a reconstituted vaccine, freeze-dried vaccine, lyophilized vaccine. So, it has to be used within 4 hours. So, it does not follow open vial policy. Okay. Next question. When is measles administered? So, the first dose of measles is given along with measles rubella first dose, which is given at 9 months, MR1 at 9 months, and again 16 to 24 months, MR2 is given. Now, what is the route? So, this is given by subcutaneous route. What is the dose when we give vaccines by subcutaneous route? It is 0.5 ml. Okay. Any adverse event that you need to remember with this? So, it can lead to toxic shock syndrome. All right. Another question. Suppose MR vaccine, we cannot give it up to 9 months. Okay. Can it be given up to how many years in case of delayed immunization? So, it can be administered up to 5 years. All right. Another last question, is it a heat sensitive, a light sensitive or a freeze sensitive vaccine? So, measles vaccine again is a heat sensitive vaccine. It is also a light sensitive vaccine. That's all for measles. Let us pick up another vaccine. What is this? Pentavalent vaccine. Lot of questions turn up from pentavalent vaccine. So, my first question, which type of vaccine it is? It is a combination vaccine. One of the most commonly asked questions. Okay? So, since it's a combination vaccine, it protects us from how many diseases, guys? Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and Haemophilus influenza B. Penta means protects us from 5 diseases. Next question. Does it follow open vial policy? Okay, so now let's open the package and see. So as you can see, in this we have only one vaccine vial. Okay, there is no diluent over here. Okay? So this one is the vaccine vial for pentavalent vaccine. And look, is it available in powdered form or liquid? This is available in liquid form. Now as you can see, this is available in the liquid form. Okay, so now does it follow open vial policy? Being a T series vaccine which has the letter T in it, it follows open vial policy. So you can use this vaccine vial up to 28 days provided it is maintained in cold chain temperature +2 to +8, provided vaccine vial monitor has not been damaged, okay, provided vaccine vial septum has not been contaminated, expiry date has not passed. Okay, next question. When is pentavial vaccine administered? So it is administered at 6, 10, 14 weeks. Okay. What is the route? Being a T series vaccine, it is given by intramuscular route. So what is the dose? 0.5 ml. Now, as I've taught you, all the T series vaccine are given by intramuscular route. Where? On the anterolateral aspect of the left thigh. Okay. All right. Then moving ahead, in case a baby doesn't receive it at the scheduled time, up to how many years can it be given? So in case of delayed administration, it can be administered up to 1 year. Okay. Last question, is it heat sensitive or is it freeze sensitive? So it's a T series vaccine. So it's a freeze sensitive vaccine.